used one. I got one torn all apart. The main wear items. Number one, easy change out. We're looking at the brush. This brush has seen some acres. This is a brand new one. What we're looking for is if for any reason they get cut or shortened and feathered out. This one looks good. It's seen normal wear. It's time to replace it compared to our brand new one. The next thing in steps 2 is the fingers themselves, spring fingers, and the backing plate. Spring fingers are compressed to the backing plate at all times, and they're constantly turning. This is where we're pulling the corn up. This is where we're dropping it into our belt. The fingers will create a groove around the backing plate where they run. If you can feel this groove with your finger, then it's definitely time to replace it. What to watch for is going to be right here where the corn's actually getting singulated out. There are 2 bumps to help with singulation. When these start to get rolled over and they smooth out, it's time to replace this backer plate because you'll start to see skips and doubles constantly. You won't have any consistent singulation when those wear. After the fingers singulate, then we're going to our belt to drop it down to our seed tube. Belts wear like anything. It's pretty common wear. You're just looking more than anything to see if they're broke or if they get hard or brittle. In this case, something to look at is the plate, the backing plate across the belt. The belt was tracking off center, so it's wearing into the housing. This wouldn't necessarily have to be replaced in the condition it's in, but the belt needs to be adjusted at this point because it will wear into it and it will destroy the belt.